going to be the same order. Still going to be 12 down. 12 to go, not 12 down. Green back in that start zone. It's going to be 45-23 firing. Green flag, green flag. Painter rolls around the outside for the lead. McCall up to that third spot. Got the 31 of Colby Weaver around in turn number 2. All these drivers are going to go outside to avoid the spun car of Colby Weaver. Driver from Jackson, Ohio. Not Jackson, Ohio. He is from Everett, Pennsylvania. Your final car right locked in at the moment is the 48 of George Laux. No laps are completed, though. It's going to be 12 to go here. Full restart again. Nagy and Painter fire. at 23 at Thompson up in the wall. Keeps it clean. 3 wide. Hefner trying to force it between Singleton and Laux. Singleton bounces off the wall just a little bit. Big gaggle there, including our buddy Nate Emig. 14 up in the wall, just a little bit in the back.
We got him high, we got him low, we got him 3 wide, we got him everywhere.
Yeah, we do. We got the 23 of Painter rocking off the high side of that third spot past Jake McLean. George Laux ain't far behind in 5th. Kenny Hefner on his inside looking for that 5th spot.
Here comes Emmy with a run on the outside of the 7S. Looks like he's going to stick it in the middle. Slides up the racetrack, and he's going to pass for the position. That was a pretty veteran move there by the 5th-year sprint car driver.
That puts Emig up to 7th. Singleton now going to be under heavy fire from K-Dub, Casey Weaver.
Looks like we got Brianna Lawson making some hay down here on the bottom side of the speedway. She's going to take a look to the inside of George Blaney. She's going to try to clear coming off the exit. They're going to be dead even at the line. Give it to Blaney.
That's for a 13th spot. That's a 7S of not Alex Singleton. That is Singleton. Yeah, 7S and the 31X. Had to take his fire bottle off and run across the track. Coming to the green this time. Nagy fires. McCall holding on to the 2nd spot, side by side between Hefner and Laux. Lawson gets past Blaney. Emig back to that A spot. He's in that final transfer position. He is under fire from Caleb Kaufman. Kaufman takes that spot for now.
Yeah, we got a real good battle shaping up here for the final transfer spot between 3 cars. You can throw them under a blanket.
McCall giving Nagy all he can handle for that spot. Will McCall get the lead? Almost wheel to wheel. McLean in that 3rd spot. Painter 4th. Joshua Shant starting to make a little bit of hay on the high side, looking to chase down.
We got the 77 over here sideways in turns 1 and 2.
Yeah, no, that was kind of not a late call on race director problem or anything there. That was just pretty close to the leaders. He is feisty and wants redemption at this track that caused him heartbreak back in May. Can he do it? Who's going to make it into the Cowboy Classic? We got 4 to go. And green flag. Kaufman, that 4 car, blue and black car, is the final transfer. Gildridge looking to his inside. McLean looking to the inside of McCall for 2nd. Nagy is away free. Lawson looking to the inside of Emig. Lawson back looking for that 9th spot. She gets a little loose under Gildridge. Kaufman still your final transfer spot. High side momentum. Ooh, almost touches McGildridge.
Little bumper-to-bumper action there between the B5 and the 19.
White flag, 1 more to go. Is Caleb Kaufman going to hold on? Does Gildridge have anything for him?
Oh, and around goes the B5.
Lawson keeps it going. Kevin Nagy will win the B, and your final transfer is going to be Caleb Kaufman from Proctorville, Ohio. If that's what the A main looks like, I'm pretty fine with that, racing-wise.
Oh, I guarantee it. You guys are in for a real treat, and yeah.
Sport Mods, you better be in staging. You're up next for your main event. So here's your full lineup of everybody past that. You got Kevin Nagy in the 45.